Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x times 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which essentially we can express as 8 to power n plus m. So this implies that here we'll have 4 to power x plus x. This is equal to 40. Now, here we have x plus x is 2x. Now, this is equal to 40. So to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So log 4 to power 2x. This is equal to log 40. The next step from here, we have that log 4 to power 2x. This is in the form of log a to power m, which we can express as m log a. So applying this power rule property, we find that log 4 to power 2x can be expressed as 2x log 4. This is equal to log 40. Now let's divide both sides here by log 4 and also here by log 4. So let's simplify here. We have 2x. This is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. So 40 can be expressed as 8 multiplied by 5. So let's substitute here. We will have 2x. This is equal to log 8 multiplied by 5. All this divided by log 4. So log 8 times 5. This is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 8 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Now the next step from here, we can express 8 as 2 to power 3 and we can express 4 as 2 to power. Now the next step from here, we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. We can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So here we'll have 2x. This is the same thing as log. This is 2 to power 3 divided by log 2 to power 2. We have 2x is equal to log 2 to power 3. Substituting 8 here with 2 to power 3 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to power 2. Then plus, this is the same thing as log 5 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to power 2. So that we proceed here, we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 2 to power 3. This can be expressed as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 can be expressed as 2. This is the same thing as 2 log 2. Then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. So let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 will simplify so that we'll have 2x. This is equal to 3 over 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. The next step from here, log 5 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this property, then we'll have 2x. This is equal to 3 over 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. So let's divide both sides by 2 here. So that now here, x is equal to, this is the same thing as 3 over 2 times half plus half times half log 5 to base 2. So x is equal to, now this is the same thing as 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Okay. Now, if you recall here, we have that 4 to the power x times 4 to the power x, they should give us a value of 40. So this is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which you can express as 8 to the power n plus m. And therefore here we have 4 raised to the power x plus x, which is 2x. This is equal to 40. So let's substitute the value of x here. So this is 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Let's proceed from here. So here we have 4 to the power 2 into the parentheses 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 40. So let's simplify here. This is by 2 1 by 2 2 here. So this is the same thing as 4 to the power 3 over 2 plus, now we simplify again here. So this is the same thing as half log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 40. Now we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. Let's substitute this. So here we'll have 2 to the power 2 into the parentheses here 3 over 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Let's check if this is true. Now let's simplify here to open the bracket here. We'll have 2 to the power 3 plus, now 2 and 2 here simplify, so this is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Now the next step here, 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which you can express as a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. So 2 to the power 3 here, this is the same thing as 8. So here we'll have 8 multiplied by 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5. So let's substitute this 5 here, so that this is equal to 40. 8 times 5, this is actually equal to 40, and this is equal to 40. So that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, this implies that the value of x, which is basically equal to 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video so that it can be recommended to other viewers. Bye bye.